I'm coming back to the application form or the application process for competition to the European institutions. And one of the essential things is how do you highlight your skills, knowledge, competencies for a AD position, which means a policy officer position. Now, in order to go there, I would say I will respond in three parts, let's say, because the policy cycle has three main parts, right? So the first part will be the conception, the strategy of the policy. And this is the one that I will treat today, right? Tomorrow you will have the number two, which is kind of implementation. And then after tomorrow, you'll have the number three, which is how to communicate what you have done previously, right? So let me start now with the first part, which is conception strategy. Now, every time that I say rewrite the CV with my clients, I always ask them, what is the highest, the most strategic responsibility that you had? Now, highest strategic should be, obviously, if you have been there, should be the conception of the strategy or of the policy or the legislation. The conception is that you contributed to the conception, right? But sometimes you have done the drafting. So you were the pen holder. So then I would write in your CV either conception, or I would write conception and drafting, or I would write participate in the conception and drafting, or I would write coordinate the drafting, right? So we have a lot of formulas here in order to highlight your participation in the creation, drafting, why not adoption of the policy, right? That means accompanying the policy through the legislative process, negotiations, consultation, and so on until the adoption. So for me, this will be the first cluster of responsibilities in the order of describing them. Now, for the second cluster, see you tomorrow